The Neuse River Trail is a 33-mile paved trail that runs from Falls Lake Dam to the Wake-Johnston County line. It's a popular spot for cyclists of all levels, and today we're going to take you on a journey through some of the highlights of this beautiful trail. The trail is on the outskirts of Raleigh, North Carolina. We begin our ride about in the middle because the trail was closed further to the south. From here, we'll head north. There are several river crossings along the ride, including 2 on suspension bridges. One thing to take note of is riding the Neuse River Trail feels pretty remote for most of the ride, and there aren't really any trailside adjacent businesses, although you're always close to residential development. There aren't very many bathrooms, and there's no place to stop to eat or drink.
Trail surface is beautiful. It's either just been paved or, like up north, we have tree roots and some winter frost damage on the blacktop, and here there's not a bump to be seen. It's real nice ride. The trail travels through fragile wetlands, and sections of the route are on boardwalks. Yippee, my favorite! To keep disturbances to the ecosystem to a minimum. Please be mindful of the environment you're traveling through and don't venture into sensitive areas. The trail does have a few hills, but they're manageable for most riders. The trail is relatively flat overall, so a cyclist at any level could ride this trail.
Oh, there you go.
Little problem for the guy my height, but if you need a rest, it works.
You're definitely going to want to take advantage of the Neuse River. It can provide a welcome respite for cooling off in the hotter months. All right, I don't care. I'm going in the river. You're not stopping me. You're not stopping me.
I don't want to. I want to see you in the river.
See how this goes. See if I can fall on my butt.
It'd be best not to do that. See if I can walk down the stairs without falling on my butt either.
Are there alligators here?
I don't think so. What's that out there? Do I see an alligator?
Right there.
Yeah, that's what he looks like. His head's sticking out. I see he's hungry. A little further, you gotta go up to your ankles. No, not yet. Now you are. Ooh, geez, you're in deep water now. Don't fall. So how do you think about the river?
I think the river. Oh, did you see a fish jump? Clearly not.
No, I heard him.
Like this big.
Oh my.
I mean, what the heck? Bamboo and palm trees. I don't see any pandas. They keep referring to this as part of the Mountains to Sea Trail. I have to figure out what that is, because this is a really nice trail with lots of fun bridges and the water always at your side. Our final stop on the Neuse River Trail is the Falls Lake Dam. This marks the northern end of the trail. It's a very picturesque area and a great place to take a final rest before either calling it a day or turning back and finding your car. Well, I think we've reached the end of the trail, and probably if I had anything that I was disappointed by is there's no bathrooms anywhere, at least on the 15 miles that we went. So make sure you either have good kidneys or I guess if you're a guy, you're all set to go.